very unproductive society. That's why the only thing that is attractive here is politics and church. You need to dismantle it. And we're going to turn night vigil into night shift so people can be productive. I go to church, I believe in God.
Yes.
But we cannot have people Monday to Friday be in church morning and night.
Joshua Bamiloye, son of renowned Nigerian evangelist Mike and Gloria Bamiloye, has reacted after former Anambra State Governor Peter Obi made recent remarks regarding church vigils. Obi's comments, made on Honest Bunch podcast, have stirred significant debate online, with many questioning his perspective on the role of religious gatherings in Nigeria's productivity. During the podcast, Obi suggested that Nigeria might benefit more from productivity-driven night shifts instead of traditional church vigils, which he implied was contributing to poverty. He advocated for fewer night gatherings in churches, encouraging a shift towards night work to boost productivity. According to Obi, it is attractive. Politics and church but has to be dismantled. We are going to turn night vigil into night shift so that people can be productive. I go to church and believe in God, but we can't have it that people Monday to Friday be in church morning and night. If I go from here to my house, the only signboards you see are those of churches. If you go to the east, it is burials, and that is not a country. Bamiloye took to social media platform X amid the ongoing debate of Obi's remarks, addressing what he described as a misrepresentation of the nation's underlying issues. So now, vigils are the reason Nigeria isn't productive. The mentality of blaming church attendance for Nigeria's problems is very misjudged, and at best, an insult, Bamiloye wrote. He further argued that if productivity was the primary concern, then other social events, including recreational gatherings, comedy shows, and concerts, should also be curtailed. In a follow-up post, Bamiloye emphasized that we are talking about those who attend vigils Monday to Friday. How many churches organize vigils throughout a working week? He pointed out that several countries with strong religious practices are still productive and economically stable. He countered the former Anambra State Governor's statement, saying, a country can be actively religious and prosperous. It is not one or the other. Let's face the real problem. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.